Good morning. A very pleasant morning to all my dears children. Yesterday we have completed some exercises from the textbook, no children? Yesterday already we have completed some exercises from the textbook. Now today we are going to do the remaining exercises. Amma. Open the textbook. If you have textbook open, please open the textbook. Please open the textbook. Ask your mother to give textbook. If you have textbook, open the textbook with you and please follow with me. Okay, page number 17. Page number 17. Page number 16 already completed yesterday. Page number 17. Page number 17 open. See page number 17. Read first blank. Dash are the colorful parts of the plant. Okay, yes, flower. Dash are the colorful parts of the flower. See here. What are the colorful parts of the flower? See here. What are these red color parts? This red color part is called, recall once, petal. So this is the beautiful flower hibiscus. What are the bright and colorful part? Yes, this red color part is called petal. So what are the colorful parts of the flower? Petal. P-E-T-A-L. Petal. Okay, petal is the beautiful and colorful part of a flower. Okay, next bit see here. Read dash are the green colored part of the flower. What are the green color part of the flower? See here. See here below the petal, green leafy-like structures are there, no children? These are called sepals. These green color parts are called sepals. Bright color part is called petal. Green color leafy-like structure. This green colored part of the flower is called sepal. What is the green color part of the flower? Sepal. Okay. Next, flowers provide dash to the bees and butterflies. Flowers, why insects goes from one flower to another? They need honey. They need food. What is the food of insects? Some insects collect nectar from the flowers. Some insects suck the blood from our body or animal's body. Isn't it? Okay, so butterflies goes from one flower to another flower. They suck honey from the flowers. So flowers provide food for the bees and butterflies. So flowers provide food. What is the food of bees and butterflies, ma? What is the food of bees and butterflies? Nectar. Nectar is the sweet juice obtained from the flowers. Okay, so flowers provide food to the bees and butterflies. Come on, read next one. Dash are the most beautiful part of the plant. Okay, what are the beautiful part of the plant? What are the beautiful part of the plant? What is the name of this? What is the name of this flower? Hibiscus flower. So flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. So what is the answer here? Flowers. So flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. Is it clear, Amma? Flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. What is the beautiful part of the plant? Flower. Flower is the beautiful part of the plant. Okay, next see here, flowers turn into fruit. So flowers change into fruit. Flowers turn into fruits. Okay, now come on, next is read, fruits have dash inside them. What is there inside the fruit, amma? See here, fruits have dash inside them. Okay, what are these? What are these? These are the seeds. These are all the seeds. So inside the fruit, what we observe? Seeds are present. Okay, so fruits have dash inside them. What is there inside the fruit? This is the fleshy and juicy part. These are all the seeds. These are all the seeds. Okay, children see, these are also seeds. These are also seeds. So what is the right answer here? Fruits have dash inside them. What is there inside the fruit? Seeds. Okay, na seeds are there inside the fruit. Okay, next question, read amma. Dash helps in growing new plant. So if you want to get a new plant, what will you do? You take one seed and put into the soil, isn't it? And after you sprinkle some water, that seed produce a plant. So see here, what dash helps in growing a new plant. So how will you get new plant? From the seeds only. So see here, okay, what is the right answer here? Seeds. Seeds helps in growing a new plants. Now next question, see, 8th question. Fruits are formed from the flowers. Okay, na? So dash are formed from the flowers. Okay, flowers turn into fruit. Flowers change into fruits. So dash are formed from the flowers. Okay, what are formed from the flowers? Fruits are formed from the flowers. Groundnut is an dash seed. See here, groundnut. Groundnut is an edible. Edible means which can we eat. Ask your mom to show the groundnut. These are all the edible. Edible. Okay, see here. Okay, groundnut. Every day we are using groundnut, amma. Okay. Ask your mom to show groundnut. Groundnut is an edible. Edible means what, amma? Which can we eat? Edible means which can we eat? We eat the groundnut. We eat the groundnut. It is the edible seed. Yes, it is the edible seed. Okay, na? See here, children. Page number 22. See here. Once again, amma. Petals are the beautiful part of a plant, colorful part of the flower. Okay, sepals are the green colored part of the flower. Okay, flowers provide food for the insects and butterflies. Dash are the most beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. Okay, flowers turn into fruit. Okay, but in some cases only flowers turn into fruits, amma. Okay, remaining some flowers are used for decoration. Okay, decoration. We use more flowers for decoration during festivals and functions, amma. Okay, na. So flowers are turned into fruits. Fruits have dash inside them. See here, fruits have dash inside them. Seeds are inside them. Okay, seeds help in growing new plant. So next question, see here, fruits are formed from the flowers. Okay, groundnut is an edible seed. Groundnut is an edible seed. Okay, page number 20, see here, ma. Page number 20. Tiny pores. See the question. Tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called. Okay, tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called. Okay, and underside of the leaf, this is the green leaf, no children. Underside of the leaf, number of tiny pores are present, amma. These are called stomata. Plants to breathe through stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. Okay, tiny pores are called stomata. Okay. See the next question. The green color of the leaf. Why are the leaves green in color? Why are the leaves green in color, amma? See the question number 2, page number 20. Page number 20, question number 2. The green color of leaves is due to. Why are the leaves green color? Because green pigment present in the leaves. What is that? Chlorophyll. The green color of the leaf is due to chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O. Chloro. P-H-Y-L-L. Fill. Chlorophyll. Chloro means green, fill means leaf. Chlorophyll. Okay. See the question number 2, page number 20. The green color of the leaves is due to chlorophyll. Chloro means leaf. Okay, chloro means green, phyll means leaf, green leaf. Is it clear? Now third question, the stem holds the plant upright. The stem holds the plant upright. Stem gives support to the plant and also hold the plant upright. Dash absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Who absorb the water from the soil? Roots only. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Is it clear, Amma? If you pour water, water reaches the ground. Roots absorb water and minerals and nutrients from the soil. Come on, see the matching here. Page number 20, matching is there. See here. See here, Amma. Okay, roots are roots lies under the ground. Roots lies under the ground. Next question, see, stem takes food to all parts of the plant. Stem takes food to all parts of the plant. Leaves are the food factory of the plant. Leaves are the food factory of the plant. And also flower helps in reproduction. That means flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Flowers turn into fruits in the process of reproduction. Flowers help in reproduction. Okay, and also seed is found inside the fruit. See the matching once again. See the matching, root. See here, it is not clear, I think. Okay, root. See here, root lies under the ground. Root lies under the ground. It is clear. Okay, root lies under the ground. Stem takes food to all parts of the plant. Leaves, food factory of a plant. Flower helps in reproduction. Seed is found inside the fruit. Seed is found inside the fruit. Is it clear? Okay, next see here. Okay, next see here. Here true or false also there, ma. True or false. Page number 19. True or false, ma. Okay, the root holds the plant upright. Okay, the root holds the plant upright. Is it true or false? Who helps the plant to upright, amma? Stem holds the plant upright. The root holds a plant upright. Is it true or false? False. Okay, next page number 19. True or false? See here. Leaves help in preparing food for a plant. Is it true or false? Who prepare the food for the plant? Who prepare the food for the plant? Leaves only. Leaves help in preparing food for a plant. Is it true or false? True. Okay, next question. Papaya has many seeds. Papaya has many seeds only. It is also true. Next question, fourth question, see. A leaf is called the food factory of a plant. Leaf is also called kitchen of the plant and also food factory of a plant. It is also true. Next question, coconut is a non-edible seed. Non-edible means which cannot we eat. Okay, edible means which we eat, which can we eat. Edible means which can we eat. Okay, and non-edible means which cannot we eat. Coconut is edible seed only, no? Groundnut is also edible seed. Groundnut is an edible seed. Like that, coconut also is an edible seed. Okay, it is also here what they given amma non-edible. Okay, they given non-edible. Coconut is a non-edible. Non-edible means which cannot we eat. That's why it is the false. Coconut is also edible, but they given here non-edible. Non-edible. That's why this is false. Okay. Next page. Next multiple choice questions. Page number 20. Matching. See here, amma. E, D. Okay, A. Fourth one, B, and fifth one, C. If you have textbook, you have to see the textbook. Okay, now multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Which are the following plant stores food in its root? Okay, in its root, we eat the carrot, no children? We eat the carrot. Which are the following plants store food in its root? Carrot. Okay, option C. See the next question. Which are the following part of the plant transports water and minerals to other parts of the plant? Who transport the water and minerals to other parts of the plant? Stem. Stem only carries water and food materials to other parts of the plant. See the third question. Fruits cover and protects the seed. Fruits cover and protects the seed. See the next question, fourth question. Which are the following is an edible seed? Edible means which can we eat? Mango seed we do not eat. Watermelon we can't eat. Cherry we can't eat. Only groundnut seed. This is the edible seed. Okay na? So which are the following is an edible seed? Groundnut. Okay, here true or false? They given mango has only one seed. See here tick the correctest sentence and cross the wrong ones. Mango has only one seed. Mango has only one seed. Is it a correct or wrong, amma? It is a correct. You have to keep ticks. It is a correct. Mango has only one seed. If the sentence is correct, you have to keep the tick mark. Mango has only one seed. That's why it is correct. Potato and ginger are examples of fruits. No, these are all the vegetables. Potato and ginger are the stem vegetables. Okay, that's why it is wrong. Okay, na? See here, wheat and rice have fibrous root. Correct. Okay, the part of the plant which remains under the ground is called shoot. Under the ground. Under the ground is called root, no children. But here they given shoot. That's why it is wrong. And leaves support the branches of a plant. No. Okay, leaves support the branches of a plant. Wrong. Why come again, amma? See here. Okay, see here. Okay, if the sentence is correct, you have to keep tick. Mango has one seed. Right. Potato and ginger are examples of fruits. No, wrong. Wheat and rice have fibrous root. Yes, correct. The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called root. No. Okay, and wrong. Keep wrong. Okay, and leaves support the branches of a plant. Wrong. Okay, children. If you have textbook, you have to read the textbook today. If you don't have textbook, you have to take screenshot. Okay, children. Okay, take photo from the board, amma. Okay, is it clear? Tomorrow I will tell you next lesson, third lesson, Nana. Okay, you have to read 1-2 lessons, question and answers. Okay, you have to read blanks and true or false from the textbook. Okay, is it clear, children? Bye, take care, see you later.